What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Kareem Saunders, aka the T-Shirt Professor, coming at you with yet another video. Today, I'm just going to be talking about one of my frequently asked questions. I actually compiled a list of frequently asked questions as it relates to fulfilling T-shirt orders or just questions in general as it relates to my process when from start to finish as far as T-shirts. So the question I'm going to tackle today is, when you get someone who says, what can I do to lower the cost of, my T-shirt order? What can I do to save money? How can I make this process as less expensive as possible? What can I do about that? All right, so my whole thing is this, right? I tell everybody, and you may, you let me know if you do anything with your business or T-shirt business or what have you. But I tell people, for starters, you want to always make sure, if you're trying to get the most absolute, least expensive thing possible, always always start off with white T-shirts, okay? White T-shirts. Just start off with a plain white blank T-shirt. For the shirt color. For the most part, cotton. It's they're going to be 100% cotton. Cotton itself, starts off as white. So naturally, it's probably it would cost more money to dye the shirt any other color, whether it's blue, red, black, whatever. It's going to cost more money. Hence, colored shirts are going to cost more than white shirts. All right, so start off with white shirts. You know what I mean? You won't get any cheaper than white shirts. So that's going to always be the first thing that you want to start off with if you want to make sure that you get the lowest price point. White shirts, plain white shirts. Another thing, as far as you as a consumer. Or you may want to tell your customers is use fewer design colors. Okay, this is you may have somebody who wants to have like an elaborate logo or just a multicolored design. Whereas if you are doing, let's just say Plastisol, for instance, which is the alternative to screen printing. It's the same process. You make multiple screens with the different colors. It's the same process. So you're basically setting up. Let's say it's a 3-color design, 3-color logo. There's 3 separate screens. So there's 3 separate charges. Okay, to make that 3-color logo. So if you want to cut the cost, you want to make sure that your design is one color, whether it's black, white, red, green, yellow, orange, purple, whatever. One color design is going to always cost you a lot less than a multi-color design. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it's set up. One screen, one print. Now that's for Plastisol. Now, when you go to, say, vinyl, all right, which is another print method, my other print method of use is vinyl. Many different colors in vinyl. Now, that actually gets way more complex and gets way more complicated. There's more work involved in that, especially from the T-shirt maker standpoint, because sometimes just a 2-color design is can be some trouble. But you could expect, as a consumer, if you're wanting a vinyl design that's more than one color, yeah, expect to pay. You're gonna get taxed. You know what I mean? Because it's a lot that goes into the cutting of the vinyl and layering it and all that kind of thing. There's a lot that goes into that. So that's going to cost you much more than if it was just a 1-color vinyl design. All right. Another thing that you want to be cognizant of, whether you're the t-shirt maker, and you want to tell your customers this, or you're the consumer, you need to know this, is that if you want to lower your price, make the order larger. Simply make the order larger, okay? You get a discount. Generally, there is a bulk discount involved when you have a bunch of shirts or things like that. Most t-shirt makers, most t-shirt designers will tell you, if you order like just a great big bulk of shirts, you're going to get a price break. Okay, so versus, let's just say, 12. Like we're sticking with Plastisol, screen printing. Let's just say you do 12. You want 12 shirts. Well, the per shirt cost for 12 shirts for screen printing. Let's just say, I don't know, you can find yourself anywhere, I don't know, upwards of $12, $15 or something, like probably even more. Whereas if hypothetically you get a 300 shirt, you want to do 300 shirts, there's going to be a price break per shirt, which I don't know could end up as low as, I don't know, maybe $6, $7. Anyway, the point is, the more you order, the more bulk that you order, the lower the per unit cost will be. And that's just the way it is. That's with many things, but specifically with t-shirts, that's how you can get your overall cost down if you just order more. Just order more in bulk. What else? Another thing, you want to limit where you're printing on the shirt. Okay, so let's say if because obviously a pocket design on the chest will cost a lot less than if you had a pocket design right here, you had something on the sleeve, something on that sleeve, and then something on the back. Okay, if you want to make sure that you cutting your cost down, just go with a price. Just go with either one of those locations. Don't go with multiple locations. So if you decrease the locations of the design, you also decrease the amount of money that you're going to be spending. So for the most part, if you're on a budget, just get a chest design on the front, or put the design on the back, or one sleeve or the other sleeve. Don't go all out. You know that you're trying to save money, and the goal is to produce a mass amount for some kind of event, like a family reunion, like a family reunion, or like a school or something like that, where you want to keep everything simple. So just to kind of recap, you want to make sure that you are saving money by printing on a white t-shirt, because they are the cheapest, no matter where at, in the industry. White t-shirt, a one color design. Okay, keep your design to one color. Okay, that always helps. 3 is order in bulk. Save yourself some money in the long haul by ordering in bulk. And 4, limit your design real estate to just one area. One area. That's all you're going to need. So that's how you're going to save yourself money. Those are the 4 things how you can save yourself money, and those are the 4 things business owners or t-shirt makers that you could tell people. Just kind of encourage them, and they'll actually respect you for that. They'll say, you know what, this person, this guy, this t-shirt maker could have really taxed me, or he could have really just took advantage of my lack of knowledge in that area. Instead, you will gain a lot of respect by just letting them know, hey, you are a customer of mine, but I just want to let you know that, I got your best interest in mind, and even though I am providing you a service, I was once a customer before I was ever a business owner. And so that kind of stuff goes a long way. So you're looking out for people, because everybody wants to, at the end of the day, T-shirts are not they are not a necessity. They are a luxury, and they're choosing you to spend their money with. So why not, give them these tips, just to kind of help them out, because in the long run, they're going to, like I said, they're going to refer more people to you, and they're going to remember that. So that kind of stuff goes a long way. So just help people out and let them know where they can save money at. And you'll be all the better for it. Trust me. All right, guys. So that's it for today's video. Like, comment, share. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you would do. Like, what frequently asked questions do you have that you deal with when you do your T-shirts? So just let me know. Just hit me up. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to see you. Love to talk to you. And this has been another video from the T-shirt Professor. I want to consistently drop that knowledge and help you guys out. So once again, this has been another lesson from the T-shirt Professor himself. You guys have a good day. Happy T-shirt making, guys. Peace.